Lucky Dube. Lucky Dube. Yeah, Lucky Dube. Lucky Dube. What could he have done so wrong? Did we even know he was one of Jah prophets? Listen to his great songs. Oh Jah, what a man we have lost. So we always will remember you now and forever, for the words you have carried out. And we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed. They have changed. They have changed. Yeah. They have changed. Yeah. They have changed. Times have changed. Yeah. Oh, mankind. Now that you're amongst the stars, we will make sure your words live on. Crying tears will fall time to time, but memories of you help us carry on. So we always will remember you now and forever, for the words you have carried out. And we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed. They have changed. They have changed. They have changed. Times have changed. Yeah. Times have changed. Yeah. All the youth's gonna cry. The whole world's gonna miss. Jamaica will never forget. Africa will always love. The youth's gonna cry. The whole world's gonna miss. Jamaica will not forget you. Africa is saying we always will remember you now and forever, for the words you have carried out. And we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed. They have changed. The times have changed, yeah. They have changed. They have changed. Times have changed. Times have changed. Have changed. Hey, hey. Some will come, some will go, but the works you've done will still live on. Just like the prophets of old, you are one, a chosen one. Some will come, some will go, but the works you've done will still live on. Just like the prophets of old. Surely, surely, always will remember you now and forever, for the words you have carried out. And we will not forget all of the things you did. This is a sign to show that times have changed. They have changed. They have changed. They have changed. Oh, lucky Dube. Look what we have come to. Oh, mankind, so unjust. Oh, lucky Dube, you live on forevermore. Oh,
Mr. Francis walked 142. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. From the start he had no chance. He took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. It's so crazy. The way things happen, no intention to hurt my brethren. Now they think his right is stolen. And still I have one question. Tell me now, Mr. Officer, what do his papers say? Mr. Francois took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. From the start he had no chance. He took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. It's amazing. He held it down for me, was a true friend. No second guessing. Where his loyalty remained. And still I have one question. Tell me now, Mr. Officer, what do his papers say? Mr. Francois took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. Guilty in advance. From the start he had no chance. He took one for the team. He doesn't even smoke no trees. He doesn't even smoke no trees, yeah. So here I was with the clock pushing by day. Gotta catch the flight and we can't bring the bait cause each tour the old man done told us. Put it in your brain, leave the stash, avoid the pain. So I thought, why not put it in the case? Right. Francis good, he's headed for his base. Little did I know that move wasn't really too great. In a few takes, we were linked to do a few dates. Here he comes, cruising down the highway, ready for the mission, and he brought a new addition. Right. Now this is where the lesson gets real sorry. Woo, woo, woo. Here comes the police. I'm singing to myself, what did I do? Francis on lockdown, just because of you, true. Now I'm wishing he can hear me say sorry. Stuck behind bars, yo France, I'm real sorry. Why do they do the things they do? When we do the things that we do, I don't ever think I really know. Said why do they do the things they do? When we do the things that we do, I don't ever think I really know. Now if this was Holland, no one would have to worry. Said if it was Holland, no one would have to worry. They tried to fight him down and lock him up, even though it wasn't his. Just because of a little draw, they brought him to his knees. And so you fair heart, you don't understand. Each one teach one this if you're willing to help. Please don't hate us for nature's play. We just smoke it for a better man. I know you don't even smoke the trees. Thanks for taking one for the team. Guilty in advance. From the start he had no chance. I know you don't even smoke the trees.
She have a little youth and name him John couldn't say. The father was this or that man. So she check Uncle Sam and put up on the program. Now she dep on welfare and feeling real strong. By 19 she have another youth in her run. A 2 youth she had to get to population. Another woman lost to the teenage slam. Still I don't blame the youths there. Cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, especially for those who make it out. I salute them. I don't blame the youths there. Cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them. Just for strength and courage, I salute them. No one youth will act like at 15 years old. But I got a shot and kill a 18-year-old. Now he's on the run and his blood a run cold. Don't burn the prison, him no want no parole. Police back him up in a shootout on the lane. Him pick up 7 shots and his life gone down the drain. In the ghetto it's just murder for murder. I know the youths another life them woulda rather. So I don't blame the youths there. Cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, especially for those who make it out. I salute them. I don't blame the youths there. Cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them. Just for strength and courage, I salute them. Now every day them a war with them one another. Them nah no weapon God that alone a pressure. Some no even live to see 19. No even get a chance to see them dreams. That's the life in the ghetto. I'm from Bushwick, Brooklyn, so I know how hard it is for any ghetto youth to rise up out these streets. So I don't blame the youths there. Cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them, especially for those who make it out. I salute them. I don't blame the youths there. Cause in the ghetto it's hard to make it. I salute them. Just for strength and courage, I salute them. Teenage girls that have their babies and the boys are hustling daily. Streets hot like fire. Every day they get stronger. Streets turn them in a soldier. So the youths getting over. Some of what they want to honor. And send a chance to the Father. Pray for things to get better. Here and now and forever. in the ghetto. So we can't blame the youth, so no. Can't blame the youth still. Can't blame the youth still. Can't blame the youth still. No.
Hear what Gramps say. It's time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Africa say it's time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Yeah, these are the time and place. Don't make the love go two ways. No matter this try we raise. A time for we get for we praise. Well, if you're fighting your brother, they know you build up each other. And when you burn out your neighbor, you don't have a drink one time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Africa say it's time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Again, reaching out to the leaders. Be pleasers and don't be deceivers. Cause black was not born to be losers. Hey, black full of shakers and movers. No more fighting, my brothers. Goodwill and peace to my sisters. No more war in the ghetto. Upliftment for all youths. We say through the passage of time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Africa say it's time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Yeah. No be a mental slave. Me say we done with those days. Yes, we can and will change. I saw the black fire be a blaze. So get your mind out the gutter. Go work for your bread and your butter. Time for the black man to prosper. Yes, Rasta know is the time. Time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Jamaica said that it's time. A time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Bahamas say it's time. Time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Africa say it's time. Time for black man unite. Time to conquer the pain. Oh, time to bring back the days. Turks and Caicos say that it's time. Time. You know that it's time. Canada say it's time. We say it's time. And I say time to say it's time.
And pray, trotting through all these tribulations. Only love in my meditation. Only good in my intention. Yet them want make it look like I'm doing wrong. Oh, Jah, keep I under thy armor. Save I from that disaster. Lurking around that corner. Oh, Jah, make I vision more brighter, so I can see more wider. My wise tongue will be more wiser. See them there, and them a look contention. See them there,
them no know.
I true them no know for line. I know for line. I true them no know for line. But I know for line. Just true them no know them gone the wrong way. Now give up the struggle cause we know one day them take the shortcut but we rather the long way. Them think them too big for kneel and pray. Now stop praise Jah all when me hold and pray. There's no other as from me whole man say. Stop killing your brother with your drive and spray. Your judgment a go come cause your sister you go slay. I chew them no know for line. I know for line. I chew them no for line. But I know for line. Yeah. He made the birds, he made the bees, yeah. And all the fishes in the sea, and all the leaves on the trees, yeah. I know Jah abide in me. Oh, we'll never be ungrateful. No one should greedy man, I want him playful. Yeah, in his name I'm faithful. I use his name and watch the gate full. Then I know for line. I know for line. I true them I know for line. But I know for line. Yeah, true them no know, yeah. No love them no show, yeah.
Let them know say, I make them stop me on my journey. The rough life believe me, say me learn it. Yeah, the table got to turn and on me bridge me never burn. I hope them learn them to concern. Now make them stop me on my journey. The rough life believe me, say me learn it. Yeah, the table got to turn and on me bridge me never burn. I hope them learn them to concern. Them on a pass. Yes, me hear pagans a drop word. Nothing but a rasta boy, I never awkward. Remember me tell them say we no powder blackboard. I know them a shine the sun and I know them a drop flood. You know sister that them scary. Try with them one time, yes, and them go feel we wow. Hypocrite just can't come near. We will tell them clearly say. Now make them stop me on my journey. Rough life, believe me, say me learn it. The table got to turn, and I may bridge me never burn. I hope them learn them to concern. Now make them stop me on my journey. The rough life, believe me, say me learn it. Yeah, the table got to turn, and I may bridge me never burn. I hope them learn them to concern. Sit down and me see the pagans, them a try to pest me. Pray to Father God because me know say that him bless me. Who then send come no police, we come arrest me. Me nah make none of them stress me. Wow, enough of them a screw when them see Rasta I go through. Wow, enough to like the Rasta not like you. Wow, I pretend that them friendship not true. From them a hypocrite, them a fit exclude. Not true. Me nah make them stop me on me journey. The rough life me live, me say me learn it. Yeah, the table got to turn, I know me bridge me never burn. I want them learn them hard.
The youth them say it's hard. Whoa. For the get so you there ain't no progress. Them no rate get some people as all. Babylon no want the youth them see success. So them treat us like dogs, yes. For the get so you there ain't no progress. Them no rate poor people as all. Babylon no want the youth them see success. So them treat us like dogs, yes. Another youth drop dead in a the ghetto today. By the gun him get slain. Here goes another mama pandy. She a pray, I make the most I lead the way. Crime and poverty, all I see in the inner city. Where is the development? you, there ain't no progress. Them no rate get so people as all. Babylon no want the youth them see success, so them treat us like dogs. Yes. For the ghetto you, there ain't no progress. Them no rate poor people as all. Babylon no want the youth them see success, so them treat us like dogs. Yeah. Them turn the ghetto youth them in a warmonger. Poverty got we balling out for hunger. We tired of police brutality. Where is that solidarity? Them treat we like we are no smarty picnics. Shot we then put the blame on we. Reaching out to the leader. Better mental that's we in need. Run this straight through the media. Prime Minister we no perform we get reader. Yeah. For the ghetto you, there ain't no progress. Them no rate get so people at all. Babylon no want the youth them see success, so them treat us like dogs. Yeah. For the ghetto you, there ain't no progress. Them no rate poor people at all. Babylon no want the youth them see success, so them treat us like dogs. Yeah. Me no like walk one in a me area. Too much youth a go down to the undertaker. And why the youth them can't stay alive? Babylon a kill them out, no one to see the youth them strive. And who is responsible for all the blood where you shed?
Run everything I start. So me have to pick up me celly and go make a call to the youths and from the corner. Tell them loud the lava, plant some marijuana. Every day go cultivate the farm. I'm cust to them, I wait for me to send it on. Babylon them running and want ready barn. Give up, ya go and live up. Cause me know me firm and me strong in myself from the day me born.
Hey, it's all about the payroll. Now worry me youth, me nah go pay you. Also me, I also feed the money. See the pretty light I come, me nah get for me. No, no, no. It's all about the payroll. Now worry me youth, me nah go pay you. Also me, I also feed the money. See the blue light I come, me nah get for me. No, no.
Now go on like me bigger than the law. And some greens me a juggle why me can't. Some like it boil, some like it steam, some like it raw. Mitch just pass the fire, me a fi juggle. Me want to fix the situation. Juggle, I mean the youths them a wait pan. Juggle, me no like deprivation. Juggling to take myself out of frustration.
It's all about the payroll. Now worry me youth, me nah go pay you. Also me, I also feed the money. See the pretty light I come, me nah get for me. No, no, no. It's all about the payroll. Now worry me youth, me nah go pay you. Also me, I also feed the money. See the blue light I come, me nah get for me. No, no, no. Hustling man, juggling for my family. Hey, why you wanna stop my flow? Why you won't allow good seeds to grow? I'm in the streets every day, doing me the best because me want collect a pay.
Officer, where you a charge me for? I could have fed this from the light. Babylon, where you a charge me for? Me nah sleep at jail tonight, night. Officer, where you a charge me for? I could have fed the chalice pipe. Babylon, where you a charge me for? Me nah sleep at jail tonight, night. Me buy 1,000 bag of chopper grapes, me go and feed me brain. Just enough to go and sustain. Me tune into me radio for me corner. Me about me marijuana like when music keeps up feel no pain. Me not see no reason why officer you want to lock me up. I herbs in on me wrist and no crack me up. Oh no, come on touch. Tell me what's the real charge. Officer, where you a charge me for? I could have finished it from the light. Babylon, where you a charge me for? Me nah sleep at jail tonight, night. Officer, where you a charge me for? I could have finished the chalice pipe. Babylon, where you a charge me for? Me nah sleep at jail tonight, night. What could I really be your ulterior motive? When we got problem, they are rough for you and your friend. Them go probe your love for pressure, ganja man, and that me notice. We got the real officers when know the road code. We keep the real links and deal with real things. poor people, them not carry feelings. You high and claw, you have no control over me lion paw. Here ya, officer, where you a charge me for? I couldn't fit this me from the light. Babylon, where you a charge me for? Me not sleep at jail tonight, night. Officer, where you a charge me for? I couldn't fit me chalice pipe. Babylon, where you a charge me for? Me not sleep at jail tonight, night.
Hear me out. You know see a something them a look with the food where them a cook and the place where them a jokes and the girl where them a rook. Six show, me no know where them a go do. The youths them a lose a scroll. For true, I tell you what a whole heap a can. The youths them a beat up a whole heap a can. Walk one, me say too much nights on the funeral. Hey, them we treat you like stranger because them a youths a go like old nigga. That's why me nah go touch the road later because me no want feel lose me bird paper. Said too much ashes to ashes, me say and dust to dust. Hey, the mama born a belly but she never know much. Yes, a few dollars a eat and then you eat it dust. Just a split on a Guinness your life what? Hey, so all the plan where them a plan and the people them a can. Them a walk a kill man every day them drop a bomb. It's true, me no know where them really a do. It's like them lose a scroll. Be true, hey, then what a whole heap a can. The youths them a beat up a whole heap a can. Walk one, me say too much nights and funeral. Hey, every day your sirens and navy blue. Who no get boxed down a beat up and batter boots. Them a rolling a the deepest interage and crew. I same way Johnny little son gets slow. Now the body is gone and the bucket get kicked. A big time tension in a chan public. Now every nozzle turn up and no bullet no stick. Hey, China be next on the list. You know see a something them a look with the food where them a cook and the place where them a jokes with the girl where them a jokes. It's true, me no know where the youths a go do. It's like them lose a scroll. Be true, you know see a whole heap a can. The youths them a beat up a whole heap a can. Walk one, they got too much nights and the funeral. Hey, them we treat you like stranger because them a youths a go like old nigga. That's why me nah go touch the road later because me no want feel lose me bird paper. Said too much ashes to ashes, me say and dust to dust. Hey, the mama born a belly but she never know much. Yes, a few dollars a eat and then you eat it dust. Just a split on a Guinness your life what? Hey, so all the plan where them a plan and the people them a can. Them a walk a kill man every day them drop a bomb. It's true, me no know where them really a do. It's like them lose a score. Be true, hey, then what a whole heap a can. The youth them a beat up a whole.
Let them go and talk, let them scandal your name. We'll soon find out who is to be blamed. We'll soon find out who is gonna be shamed. Shame. Let them keep calling your name. Good things are going for you. That's why them are mad over you. Good things are going for you, baby. That's why them are fret over you. Good things are going for you. That's why them a lost off for you. Good things are going for you. That's why them a mad over you. You've got some people out there just love to talk. That's why you just can't trust no shadow of the dark. Them a say them got the wine and the roses, but a me a strike the rock like Moses. Them a say them got the style and the fashion, but a me alone a get the loving and the passion. Good things are going for you, baby. That's why them a fit over you. Big things are going for you. That's why them a mad over you. Good things are going for you. That's why them a crash over you. Them say me look like a mice man a $1 bread, but the same little mice around the place red. Me look like a mice man a $1 bread, but the same little mice hatting up them head. One me gal, hot head. One me gal, she no one unplatted. One me gal, dread around the place red. Let them go and talk and run off them mouth. She love the little Ross in the boardhouse. Boy, she not give the Rasta no bun and cheese. Blingy blingy come a chat and she say, oh please, big things are going for you. Plane all a crash over you. Them all lick up in a house over you. Bike man a drop over you. The whole of them a mad over you. Them have the money, so they've got the bling. But I actually impressed, cause I am the king. Although they might have every little thing, I know go a carry cookie a cappella, I know sing. One me girl, hot it, one me girl, she no want no plotted. One me girl, hot it, one me girl, she no want no bald head. One me girl, hot it, one me girl, you are on the place red. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Na 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 na. Tell me why do you have this man in your life? People say he's no good for you, he's a waste of time. He doesn't treat you like the shining star you are. Are you satisfied or has it gone too far? Girl, there's another man waiting, just anticipating the day he can show you what true love's about. He wants to treat you like a lady. No, it's no maybe. This man wants to treat you like the queen you are. So why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. You tell me you're just hanging on. You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Now there's two sides to a story, there's no doubt. Yes, man get hurt sometimes, I'll say it loud. Some women try to play us for a fool, cause they know what they've got, so they use it like a tool. But there's a good woman waiting, yes, anticipating the day she can get to treat you like the king you are. She wants to love and care for, be there if you call, so she can lend a hand if you should fall. So why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. You tell me you're just hanging on. You're just hanging on. Why are you just hanging on? You're just hanging on. Yeah. Oh yeah, yes. This is just a love game. Tell me what you're thinking. Yeah, yes. You say it's been so long, so it's hard to go. But it is not. Love, yes, why I wish. Girl, you're little but you talawa. Oh gosh, miss, why I wish. You set my heart on fire. I said now, I saw you stepping from across the street. You're smiling happily with everyone you meet. That's why I wish. Girl, you're little but you irate. Oh yes. Miss, why I wish. Girl, you're little but you hold me. Believe me, I'm trying very hard to capture and control. I'll never stop until you're mine to have and hold. Miss, why I wish.
Can I take you on a short walk? Oh yes, Miss Wire Ways. Can I give you a small talk? Miss Wire Ways. Girl, you little but you tire. Oh yes, Miss Wire Ways. You set my heart on fire.
I'm aware of the wolf pack. Be aware of the wolves coming to devour your sheep. In the valley of Chezidek for no sleep. No. Be aware of the wolf pack. Be aware of the wolf pack coming to devour your sheep. In the valley of Chezidek for no sleep. No. My armor is up and shining. Prepare to face the heat and storming. Selassie morning and kneeling. My eyes be wide open. Keenly I will be listening to you when that trumpet's sounding. I won't go down deep sinking. No, I'll hold on to the lesson. Yeah. Be aware of the wolves, yeah. Be aware of the wolves coming to devour the sheep. In the valley of Chezidek for to sleep. No. Be aware of the wolves, yeah. Be aware of the wolves coming to devour the sheep. In the valley of Chezidek for to sleep. Stick and stone may break my bone. Pagan frowns may rally round. But that just won't keep me down. Not as long as Jah is around. My vision will always open. Inly I will be treading firmly towards Jah's garden. Can you hear me when I sing this? Hear me while I call it. Be aware of the wolf pack. Be aware of the wolves coming to devour the sheep.
Then I know Selassie's dirty yet. Then alright, then I man city is in the garden. The time to spoil the harvest can talk. And promises then left us to death. There's a hole in the pocket, man confused and perplexed. Now they ask what made us beg. Then who cares at the board, that's the system concept. The youths them stressed, locked down in a prison long set. Then who cares about the homeless, see them no so no interest. The lifestyle is a mess, but you to youth to put up a resistance. I see them out and find out, set enough for them for the poor, them no response. I put up a resistance. The rest of man a burn them perhaps and for instance. Yes, me put up a resistance. They do make the laws, give them guns, step suit from long distance. I put up a resistance. The man me says to talk to the court and me go burn them inch man. I tend to say, street side gets away the rude boy lurks. I live amongst the good, the bad, even the bloodthirst. It's I support the hurt. When worse comes to worst, the wicked I run when them feel the fireworks. The nicest some senseless good boys, they got them go on the turf. Them slew without a cause, so them no pet night. Them nurse them on the respect of the law. We packing at them person. Them now go till the style or blow the dirt. So me go tell them love come first. I put up a resistance. System out and find them guilty. With the poor them no response. I put up a resistance. Say that's the man go burn them perhaps and for instance. Yeah, me put up a resistance. System out and find them guilty. Yeah, with the poor them no response. I put up a resistance. Alright, Selassie I say we rebel against the system, not for money or food. We need proper housing to bring up the younger youths. The system treat us mean and crude, then call us unruly and rude. You miss a politician, now give me no excuse. Continue do your dirty work, you gonna lose. Can talk and bad card, pick choose and refuse. Ain't nobody give the get the youths no bad news. Hey, me still a put up a resistance. System out and find them guilty. Feed the poor, them no response. I put up a resistance. This is someone a burn them perhaps and for instance. me a put up a resistance. Hey, me system out and find them guilty. Feed the poor, them no response. I put up a resistance. They not right, they know yes. Them tell us that them sheep is in the garden. They trying to spoil the harvest. Cause all and promises they left us to death.
Hey, don't you cry, don't you cry, yeah. Cause Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, yeah. We know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears. Ooh, in this time of destruction, we must hold on firm. We got to get along, being over hurdles, all of the mountain tops. Forward on, we all are marching on. We say, Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears, yeah. We know we must win the fight. Ooh, when the wicked try come and eat upon our flesh, we know that Jah, He is the best over trials and tribulations, because Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears. We keep on fighting and fighting, yeah, against the wicked in high and low places. No matter what they do, no matter what they try, I and I, we shall overcome, because Jah shall wash away the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, yeah, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears, because Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In time when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, we know we'll survive, yeah. Jah shall wash away all the tears. Oh, Jah shall wash away.
For the limelight, they live and sell out their soul just to gain a little light. Them boy they are traitor. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them go side with old dog. Anchor against the creator. Them boy they are traitor. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them side with the house of Saul. Anchor against the creator. How can you fix your mouth to talk against the king? How can you blaspheme against his royal children? Then the see say I held them, I bring them on them head, them on them head. Them same boy they sell out Jesus Christ. Them same boy they sell out Marcus Garvey. Them not see them and roll with the right line. So Lord, yeah. Them boy they are traitors. Tell them say I no cater. Them and them need that behavior. Them no side with no dog. Anchor against the creator. Them boy they are traitors. Tell them say I no cater. With them and them need that behavior. Them side with the house of Saul. Anchor against the creator. Since when violence become a part of it, yeah.
creator. Them side with the house of soul. And God them still create. So them why they are traitor. Tell them say I not care. Them and them need a behavior. Them side with the house of soul. And God them still creator. Don't give them blasphemy against Mikiey.
How could they do such a thing?
They do not say anything for the limelight. They live and sell out their soul just to gain a little light. Why they are traitors? Tell them say I don't care. Them and they need a behavior. Them go side with old dog. Uncle Best they create. Why they are traitors? Tell them say I don't care.
No take no crap, no take no coke. Else a little brain will start float. One hold the faith with the system you try to. And don't hang yourself with no rope, no. Just be firm and be strong in this Armageddon. Enough nose run off and we get bun. Enough youth man get done down. But we not stop chat it inna the Gideon. We not stop chat it inna the Gideon. We say we not stop chat it inna the Gideon. Man have to bust on one place like pavilion.
We not stop step it inna the Gideon. We not stop chat it inna the Gideon. Not stop chat it inna the Gideon. Man have to bust and own more than a million. But serious thing not come to joke it out. From them see herbs from board, shall he smoke it out? And roots a drink them ready to drink it out. And them just not providing. How them sorority gravalicious and conniving. Inna them own a blood I see them all diving. And when them looking for a secret place for riding, remember that Selassie I go find him.
We not stop chat it inna the Gideon. We not stop chat it inna the Gideon. We say we not stop chat it inna the Gideon. Man have to bust on one place like pavilion.
We not stop step it inna the Gideon. We not stop chat it inna the Gideon. Not stop chat it inna the Gideon. Man have to bust and own more than a million. Them be them plan, yes. But Rastafari stop this. That is the powers of nature. Babylon is slackness. Always remember to pray. Never give in to them no day. Cause the evil awaits about the corner your life they want snatch away. And Rastafari is unready.
Now stop chat it inna the Gideon. We now stop chat it inna the Gideon. We say we now stop chat it inna the Gideon. Man have to bust on one place like pavilion.
We now stop step it inna the Gideon. We now stop chat it inna the Gideon. Now stop chat it inna the Gideon.
We are all one people. Oh, we can sing as one people. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We can do it as one nation. Oh, yeah. We can sing as one people. Can shape a future that is fair and free, fighting down all levels of hypocrisy. As it is with you, so it should be with me. One unity together now. We can see that the tables is prepared, and they see that we're no longer scared. We can see Obama's made the change, and now the whole world can say together now. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We can do it all as one nation. Yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. Yeah. One nation, yeah. See the children suffering, so much pain and they still not recovering. Trying to get to the root of the problem and root out the right solution. Today, listen to the words of the prophets. We're all kings and queens in the palace, yeah. So no more abusement, we whop it. We can get it all together, say. Yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. Oh, yeah. generation that will change the game. This won't remain, no, things won't be the same. As the day turns to night and the dark to light, we'll work to make it right. And I'll say again, this is the generation that will change the game. This won't remain, no, things won't be the same. As the day turns to dark and the night to light, we'll work to make it right, yeah. Yeah, yeah. We can sing as one people. Oh, yeah, yeah. We can do it as one nation.
I said your eyes never lie. I should've arranged another place and time. I didn't mean to make you cry. Girl, I know you ain't no plaything. Now the rain was falling, my umbrella broken, and that is how the story began. Your eyes were speaking, my heart was yearning to explore what I was feeling inside. But my heart was spoken for, and I should have ignored the signs. I'm headed down the rocky road, I did not see no wrong at the time. Maybe if I used my mind, I wouldn't have crossed the line. Headed down the rocky road. I said the depth of your love really is deep like the river Nile, withstanding vast abuse throughout time. I said your words are like poetry, passionate with every stride, containing all the answers in life. I came to my senses, our love's forbidden. It's time to bring our affair to an end. But you wouldn't have it, nah. This lethal attraction, there wasn't a law you were not willing to bend. But my heart was spoken for, and I should have ignored the signs. Headed down the rocky road, I did not see no wrong at the time. And feelings fade away, if you would give it time. I wish it could be different, but that's the story of my life. Said the depth of your love really is deep like the river Nile, withstanding vast abuse throughout time. I see your words are like poetry, passionate with every stride, containing all the answers in life. So now the drama escalates in the log cabin up by the lake, where with my wife and beautiful kid, but here comes my sexy lady day friend. She says she loves me so much, I cannot do this to her. Understand if I go, you go, cause I know your love is hypnotized. Oh, the depth of your love really is deep like the river Nile, withstanding vast abuse throughout time. How did you do that? Your words are like poetry, passionate with every stride, containing all the answers in life. How did you do that? I said the depth of your love really is deep like the river Nile, withstanding vast abuse throughout time. I say your words are like poetry, passionate with every stride, every day of the year. Yeah, yeah, baby, I hear it all the time. I'll let me halfway around the world, I work overtime. Overtime. When your love, I come to me, even when I'm miles away. Your love, I call me same way. Alright, I know me need ya. Woman, your love, I come to me, even when I'm miles away. It's just I call me same way. You know me need ya, yeah. Our love is not an overnight thing, it's not a hype thing, it's a love you forever life thing. That's what you and I share. So let me make it clear, like Abraham and Sarah, baby love like David and Bathsheba. Yeah, everywhere I go, I feel in my soul that we're connected to the bone. Ooh, woman, your love, I come to me, even when I'm miles away. Your love, I call me same way. Alright, I know me need ya. Woman, your love, I come to me, even when I'm miles away. It's just I call me same way. You know me need And you've been giving me the same in return. That's why they never hear us complain. Hey, oh, our love is off the chain. Like the love you read about in all those fairy tales. Baby, nothing compares. Our love is the key to the memories of you and me. I can feel you come to me even when I'm miles away. Your love, I call me same way. I let you know me need ya. Woman, your love, I come to me even when I'm miles away. It's just I call me same way. You know me need ya. Ooh, yeah. Baby, your love, I call me. Woman, you rock my world. Alright, woman, I'm for real and I need your trust. I will never break your road or tear you down. Won't lose the place, so come let's keep it straight. With you every moment counts. Woman, I'm for real and I need your trust. I will never break your road or tear you down. Don't lose the faith, come keep it straight. For with you every moment counts. Woman, now you alone me need and not another. I love you me rate indeed, you me prefer. So many beautiful girls in this world that you me brother. Oh, what a blessing when we are together. Love your ways and your attitude, woman, I love your style. Yes, I may be rude, but baby, never mind it. We got the strength and the patience and the mind. Them must say you're tighty. Yes, but I'm for real and I need your trust. I will never break your heart or tear you down. I won't lose the faith. Let's keep it straight. With you every moment count. Woman, I'm for real and I need your trust. I will never break your heart or tear you down. Won't lose the faith. Let's keep it straight. For with you every moment count. Alright. Right, I know I need a trusted shoulder to lean on when the time gets colder. I'm wise and smart, but with you I am older. I don't wanna be a lonesome soldier. Woman, you make me joyful with the not content. I don't really want to strain out but you're down the fence. The love I got for you, fly up in a mirror. I can't sleep a night in a bed. Woman, for real, and I need your trust. I will never break your heart or tear you down. Won't lose my faith. Hey, keep it straight, with you every moment count. Woman, I'm for real and I need your trust. I will never break your heart or tear you down. Won't lose my safe, let's keep it straight, with you every moment come. Woman, now you alone me need and not another. I love you, you me rate indeed, you me prefer. So many beautiful girls in this world and you me brother. Oh, what a blessing when we are together. Love your ways and your attitude, woman, I love your style. Yes, I may be rude, but baby, never mind it. We got the strength and the patience and the mind. Them must say you're tighty. Yes, but I'm for real and I need your trust. I will never break your heart or tear you down. I won't lose the faith. Let's keep it straight. With you every moment count. Woman, I'm for real and I need your trust. I will never break your heart or tear you down. Won't lose the faith. Let's keep it straight. For with you every moment count. Alright, right, I know I need a trusted shoulder to lean on when the time gets colder. I'm wise and smart, but with you I am older. I don't wanna be a lonesome soldier. Woman, you make me joyful with a not content. I don't really want to strain, I got tear down the fence. The love I got for you, fly up in a mirror. Me can't sleep a night in a me bed. Woman, for real, and I need your trust. I will never break your heart or tear you down.
Still I see you up on the Mercedes throne. Crown with an empress with a crown of gold. Oh, this me officer. Deliver me, Jah, from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. Deliver me, Jah, them stiff-necked and stupid. What is to be, let it be. Deliver me, Jah, from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. Jah, me know you are my tight security. You lock me head back and that's your surety. Go when the pagan come, beat up my flesh. Them stumble at the presence of the Most High. Them looking at Celestial face and a fret. Them find out the Rasta is far right. Them know say them can't find me guilty, cause me stand for the truth. Yet still them accuse and persecute, because me strictly regulated to my roads. And me no bow to no dan or no dues. Hey, deliver me, Jah, from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. Deliver me, Jah, them stiff-necked and stupid. What is to be, let it be. Deliver me, Jah, from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. So me know you want me tight security, and you got me hurt back and that's a surety. Say it's a world of sorrow and stress. Rest up on all sides, even when you do your best. Frustrated people living in depths, backed up and debts, long run short mess. You know see the struggle for tomorrow take away every man rights. Education, taxes, loan sharp price. Babylon a use force and a build paradise. Wicked man a go on like them nice. Deliver me Jah from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. Deliver me Jah, stiff-necked and stupid. What is to be, let it be. Deliver me Jah from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. Tell me know you want me tight security, and you got me hurt back and that's for sure. Now when the pagan come, beat up my flesh. Them stumble at the presence of the Most High. Them looking at the lost the eye face and a fret. Them find out the Rasta is far right. Them know say them can't find me guilty, cause me stand for the truth. Yet still them accuse and persecute, because me strictly regulated to my roots. And me no bow to no dan or no dues. Hey, deliver me Jah from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. Deliver me Jah, them stiff-necked and stupid. What is to be, let it be. Deliver me Jah from the hands of the wicked. Don't let them triumph over me. Tell me know you want me tight security, and you got me hurt back and that's a surety. Them now go make it better. Hear me out. You can't take it pressure, can't take it pain. The system never make it better. Them push us down the drain. Babylon, you ain't got no charge over me. You never listen to the voices crying to be free. Can't take it pressure, can't take it pain. You saw your wealth and your treasure in your filthy rich game. Babylon, you ain't got no charge over me. Shoulda listen to the voices crying to be free. Say nothing could be further from the truth. You know see what I want. Them come to loot. The system globalists us for the money. Them set up rules. A total distraction for the youth. I work 5 days without an excuse for just a little paycheck. It's like me lose. Youth to go to school, markets, gas, phone card and food. The little bit you left for justify daily news. You can't take it pressure, can't take it pain. The system never make it better. Them push us down the drain. Babylon, you ain't got no charge over me. You never listen to the voices crying to be free. Can't take it pressure, can't take it pain. You saw your wealth and your treasure in your filthy rich game. Babylon, you ain't got no charge over me. Shoulda listen to the voices crying to be free. No shackles around my neck, no chains around my feet. It's a struggle every day, it's so hard. Man, I face it in these rugged streets, with our backs against the wall upon the cold concrete. Separation so hard, me don't plan feed. My finger head blister, you don't can see. The children's future is depending on me. You can't take it pressure, can't take it pain. The system never make it better. Them push us down the drain. Babylon, you ain't got no charge over me. You never listen to the voices crying to be free. Can't take it pressure, can't take it pain. You saw your wealth and your treasure in your filthy rich game. Babylon, you ain't got no charge over me. Shoulda listen to the voices crying to be free. Say nothing could be further from the truth. You know see what I want. Them come to loot. The system globalists us for the money. Them set up rules. A total distraction for the youth.
Rebuke them, Jah rebuke them. Cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah make rebuke them. Cause far too long them now do not know fit to use them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah make rebuke them. Cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah rebuke them. Cause anytime now the warriors let the figure. Them want make the guns and bring in religion. And them create the war and start all this division. Little children know where you're going and where you're really from. Never let the wicked people detour you from your mission. Every man got a right to make his own decision. But one thing me know, fire no partial no man. King Selassie is the conquering lion. Me ready figure dash fire in a Babylon. And I rebuke them, Jah rebuke them. Cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah make me rebuke them. Cause far too long nothing them have done for the youth them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah rebuke them. Cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Bingy man
man rebuke them, Bubba man rebuke them. Cause anytime now the Rasta ready figure. How can you see the children and show no love? People side to a strive and all they do is show more grudge. Make you know for the works and dirt you'll surely be judged. Babylon you're too ungrateful and your heart quite much. So I say watch it overall. He knows what been covetous and do a flex like Ginal. He knows what been unfaithful and do not give thanks at all. That's why the whole of Babylon me know it quite fall. Rebuke them, Jaja, rebuke them. Cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. That's the man rebuke them, Jaja, just rebuke them. Cause too long they have nothing to do for the youths them. Rasta man rebuke them, Jaja, rebuke them. Cause I bear iniquity and dilute them. Bubba man rebuke them, Rasta man rebuke them. Yes, I and salute them. Wow. Go down Satan, go down Lucifer, go back where you come from. Man about Babylon, the one you name. Go down Satan.
They say I can't took his life. Like them a tell, I man don't believe it's true. Bout it leave from his toe to his brain, and suddenly his life is gone away.
Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. See me with me things and a red eye feet. When you lock down with your girl, me they a road a bleach. Big king size bed and have no time for sleep. Nothing said this your road ya sweet, yeah. You have to learn to creep before you walk, and always check up on the facts before you talk. You better know about your time and space, cause nothing never do in a haste, yeah. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Not because me have me own a home. Nobody thinks it easy. Me drive a car with the rims them chrome. Nobody thinks it easy. You see the king sit up on his throne. Nobody thinks it easy. A mongrel dog with a pedigree bone. Nobody thinks it easy. Fly gone a foreign and me gone to show. Jump up on stage and I sing in a snow. All day, all night in the studio, just to make some interest grow. Whoa. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in a life no come easy. Nothing in a life no come easy. When me look back in on me observation, me see enough of them no have no good meditation. Them easy if it's straight, them can't fight temptation. That's why them full up a station. Cause when a boy love likes, he must unwife. You so years them and I give him apple for bite. I sing love song and look in I'm red eyes. Them kind of thing they no right. Nothing in the life that come easy. Nothing in the life that come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in the life that come easy. Nothing in the life that come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in the life that come easy. Nothing in the life that come easy. Tell them again. Nothing in the life that come easy. 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 Tell them again. Nothing in the life that come easy.
Creates a confusion. I know. Yes, negative is the system that surrounds us. Big the prices increase while the wages decline. Negative is the system that surrounds us. I sight so Babylon a gone. Some nonsense and calm. I have to go so na alarm. Every day they want put gun in a whip palm. So me can't stand calm. I have to go so na alarm. Education is priority and demand. So me can't stand calm. I have to go so na alarm. I sight so Babylon a gone. So me not stand calm. Fire red in a them parliaments and offices. In the cabinet broke up the crackery. Tear down every light and every chandelier. Make Babylon know so we no care. My mother is unemployed. Same is Daddy Roy. Babylon wrong system it was designed to destroy. I sight them from afar. Oh yes, them want for war. Them want put a net that gets a youth face on the top. I tell them now. I sight so Babylon a gone. So me not and calm. I have to go so na alarm. Every day them want put gun in a whip palm. So me not and calm. I have to go so na alarm. Education is priority and demand. So me not and calm. I have to go so na alarm. I sight so Babylon a gone. So me not and calm. I guess we need more emphasis for the children. I guess the future is at stake, never neglect. I guess don't deprive them of their goals and privilege. I guess we need more high school, universities and colleges. I guess I now feel like a Malik, like a Zalik, like a Tyreek, like a Jaquan, Shepherdess and Keran. Knowledge uplifts a nation, teach them the rights. I guess they do no wrong. So I sign so Babylon a gone. So me dance and come. I have to go so along. Education is priority and demand. So me dance and come. I have to go so along. I sign so Babylon a gone. So me dance and come. I have to go so along. Every day them want put gun in a whip arm. So me dance and come. Fire ready in a them parliaments and offices. In the cabinet broke up the crackeries. Tear down every lights and every chandelier and make Babylon know we no care. My mother is unemployed. Say Mr. Roy. Babylon system it was designed to destroy. I miss them aside them from afar. Them want for war. Me set them want for put on the gates. A youth face on the tar. I tell them now. I sight so Babylon a gone. So me dance and come. I have to go so alarm. Every day them want put gun in a whip arm. So me dance and come. I have to go so alarm. Education is for every
humbly I listen. Of all the things in this world I can give to you, what would you have me do? My father said to me, I was a bit confused. I didn't know what to do. Then I stopped for a moment and I thought to myself, what matters most of all? Without love, everything that I would possess would mean nothing to me at all. Just give me the blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me. Give me the blessings of love. Full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. The blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love. Full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. Things in time may come and test the heart to see how the blessings flow. Just teach me to forgive. Open up my heart so I can let your loving show. We will sing about love forevermore. Love will keep me safe for sure. Love is mighty, love is so divine. I claim love cause love is mine. Just give me the blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love. Full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. The blessings of love falling on my shoulder. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love. Full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. Love, 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 love. Of all the things in this world I can give to you, what would you have me do? My father said to me, I was a bit confused. I didn't know what to do. Then I stopped for a moment and I thought to myself, what matters most of all? Without love, everything that I would possess would mean nothing to me at all. Just give me the blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love. Full up my cup and I will spread it for eternity. The blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love. Full up my cup and I will spread it for eternity.
60, step rock.
I'm gonna blaze up my fire. I'm feeling a burning desire. Cause all the things we say and do, and we never can make it true. Yeah. I'm gonna blaze up my fire.
Every time.
I'm feeling a burning desire.
I tell you about it.
Cause all the things we say and do, and we never can make it true. Yeah. Cause divided we will fall,
but must
with our backs up against the wall. United we can stand, wiping out all them evil plans. The ozone is laying on the land.
Absolutely.
So we got to get ourselves at hand in this time of redemption.
I know we need a resolution.
If a fire make it burn and if a blood make it run, blaze up the fire, make we chant down Saddam. Blaze up the fire, make Babylon run, and thunder lick them straight down a ground. Babylon a run and see them judgment come. Them boat get capsized now, they hold of them drown. Appear and knock it, them bring in a make compound. Then you know see them get shot down by them on a gun. Her 16 come.
I'm gonna blaze up my fire. I'm feeling a burning desire. Cause all the things we say and do, and we never can make it true, yeah. We gonna catch bag of wire and throw him down there in the fire.
Of course.
Then we gonna plant up the seeds, get rid of all the bad weeds. I'm gonna blaze up my fire. I'm feeling a burning desire. Cause all the things we say and do, and we never can make it true, yeah. I'm gonna blaze up my fire. I'm feeling a burning desire. Cause all the things we say and do, and we never can make it true, yeah.
Me said a long time me a tell them say fi clean out them heart. Never want you tell see they know a bloodbath. She said them a fool and them a go like them smart. She said them a fool so they can't reach the chart. From the path of righteousness the whole of them all depart. But she get flat now them all look jump start. Judgment come on them, now them get caught. Then conscience a choke them like some old poison dart. But me know say none of them can escape from Jarat.
So I see I know now. We keep on burn the fire, oh. Bless the fire, oh now. Cause divided we will fall. With our backs up against the wall, and united we can stand. Wiping out all of their evil plans, whoa. United we can stand, and divided we will fall.
What do you feel like? Put your position with them, me like I told them. Which the big bad mighty I told them. Flavory, mankind. Yeah, so them are the effing, bad of the mind. They got no God of the mind. I told them, flavory. No. Anyway then, because speak the truth and do what is right to them don't like me. If I the grit and parasite, them a try to fight me. Them chop bands and set shop, but we sight it. So me go tell them Selassie I are the Almighty. Because speak the truth and do what is right to them don't like me. If I the grit and parasite, them a try to fight me. Them chop bands and set shop, but me sight it. So me go tell them Selassie I are the Almighty. Anyway, I don't know what them nigga hating me for, molesting me for, run come stressing me for. Gun thing on and go charge nor find me for. I know that me know where them bad mind me for. Know the talent we still a see I bless me with ya. If I them alone, them youth are dead round ya. Them couldn't go break this now, them couldn't go take this. Alright, anything from my mouth, but them feel like boom. Me speak the truth and what is right to them don't like me. If I the quit and parasite, my try to fight me. Them chop bands and say shop, but me sight him. So me go tell them still I say I are the Almighty. Me go speak the truth and what is right to them don't like me. If I quit and parasite, them a try to fight me. Them chop hands and set chop, but we sight him. So we go tell them still I say I are the Almighty. Anyway, them couldn't go chop my business for no Jerry Springer. Rather become a DJ, rather become a singer. Money bringer, cellular phone, tele-ringer. But that tired figure we bed blood without dinner. Me want fit in a me house and cook me rice and veg and simmer. Me say out and me game me go pop me fat bimmer. Mommy and you them can't lose, we are the winner. Me say them for funky like 100 lane no inner. Me just speak the truth and what is right to them no like me. If I the treat and on the side, my try to fight me. Them chop bands and set shop, but me sight him. So me go tell them still I say I are the y'all. What them feel like? Me just speak the truth and what is right to them no like me. If I the treat and on the side, my try to fight me. Them chop bands and set shop, but me sight him. So me go tell them still I say I are the Almighty. Anyway, I don't know what them nigga getting me for, molesting me for, run come stressing me for, gun thing and I go charge nor find me for. And that me know where them bad mind me for. Know the talent we still I say I bless me with ya. If I them alone, earth run dead bout ya. Them couldn't go break this no, them couldn't go take this. Alright, and this song from my mouth I straight it. Me don't speak the truth and what's right to them not like me. If I the quit and parasite side, them a try to fight me. Them chop bombs and set trap, but me sight it. So me go tell them, say I say you're the Almighty. Me go speak the truth and what is right to them, no like me. If I the quit and bad side, them a try to fight me. Them chop bombs and set trap, but me sight it. So me go tell them, say I say you're the Almighty. Anyway, life might have hard, me say things might have teeth. Give thanks
every day. Hey, Father up above, I give thanks and praise. You bless me with your love, guiding me along the way. Every day and every night, your light keeps shining brightest. Someone to look at me and say that I'm just a fool, but I'll get down on my knees and pray and give my thanks to you, creator of the heavens, the earth and seas. No matter how they tease, it's you I want to please, Lord. Heavenly Father, thanks and praise I give. Through the breath of life you have made me live. Let every creature, great and small, give glory to thy holy name. Eternally, time and time again. Once I was deceived, made to believe what is right was wrong. Then you showered blessing on me, and you changed me from weak to strong. Once I was blind, now I can see, and it's all thanks to thee. Before I didn't know if I'd make it through, but with you as my guide I will go where you lead me to, in the path of righteousness for thy name's sake. My God is real, Lord, make no mistake. Heavenly Father, thanks and praise I give. Through the breath of life you have made me live. Let every creature, great and small, give glory to thy holy name. Eternally, time and time again. I'm giving my thanks now, because he gives me life to live.
Some keep on thanksing Jah, some keep on thanksing Jah. They might ask Jah, why the wicked and not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. They might ask Jah, why the evil them not end yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Just say before one of my words passed away, heaven and earth will never be. Yeah. Oh no, no. That is the words of the Almighty. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Yeah. Open your hearts and open your mind. Yeah. So long people been looking for a sign. They might ask ya, why the wicked them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. They might ask ya, why the evil it not end yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Yeah, have to fulfill. Have to fulfill, yeah. Have to fulfill. Oh yeah, yeah. Open your heart and open your mind, yeah. So long people been looking for a sign. Never ask ya, why the wicked them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Never ask ya, why the evil them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Just say before one of my words should pass away, there will be no night, there will be no day. You gotta give thanks and praise to the Almighty Jah, and you will be on the right track. Oh yeah. You the heathen them coulda never stop. They might ask ya, why the heathen them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. They might ask ya, why the heathen them not dead yet? Prophecy it have to fulfill. Open your heart, open your mind. Some see the sign, but still them blind.
name them Mykal, so that's I don't know where one. Them know me have ambition, but them no like me address. But that's I don't know where one. Them see me as a threat, them say me inadequate. But that's I don't know where one. Say them a judge me by me looks and them a put me to the place. But that's I don't know where one. Well, I've been around for oh so long, singing and chanting redemption song. Hypocrite took the books and build a bad slogan, but I don't wanna be like no one. I got a couple good souls and never be no gang. The values of life is so important, plus you need all kind of man. So nobody take things personal, because if you bring the milk to the well, you can't force him to drink the water. Hey. And even if you turn a blind eye, you don't know what's coming after. But I one thing me know, say a long one shortcut. Time is the master. The stone that the builder refuse. We need to get stone at the corner. They see me as a threat. Beside me name them Mykal, so that's I don't know where one. Them know me have ambition, but them no like me address. But that's I don't know where one. Them see me as a threat. Them say me inadequate, but that's I don't know where one. Say them a judge me by me looks and them a put me to the place. But that's I don't know where one. Them say enough man lean, so me stand up straight. In any conversation I can relate. All the faculties working great. Test me IQ, I know me can't fail. Me no wanna be say your life to create infinite without debate. And one thing me know, say me must have to prevail, no matter how hard or long it takes. Because if you bring the milk to the well, you can't force him to drink the water. Hey. And even if you turn a blind eye, you know that's what's coming after. Hey. And one thing me know, say a long run socket. Time is the master. The stone that the builder refuse will be the get stone at the corner. See me as a threat. Beside me name them Mykal, so that's I don't know where one. Them know me have ambition, but them no like me address. But that's I don't know where one. Them see me as a threat. Them say me inadequate, but that's I don't know where one. Say them a judge me by me looks and them a put me to the place. But that's I don't know where one.
I'm crying, how you been? And I'm a granny, and I'm a sensei, and I'm a slim thing, and I want tree. Couple of guineas, a buckle of the Hennessy. Come fi all a better make bet, hey, bet. When we rollin', we smoking, that thing say a joking. Them a granny, we place gas full, and a token, a joking. When we rollin', hey, come make we all a better mix, better mix, better mix, better mix. Make we all a better mix, better mix, better mix, better mix. Excuse me while I let my slip. Lord, I got to say go with. Oh, I need a panic in my brain. Whoa, hey,
I just the high grade. And that we puff, that we love. Good chopper weed. Yeah, I need the proper stuff. One little spliff. Judge, I know that's not enough. Looking at me, I see with red like blood. But what do them? Come here, blaze ganja from about 10. Me blaze it tightly and me blaze it with them. Me blaze it on the ends with my friend. Tony Curtis, pass the cushion pen.
Pull a better mix, better mix, better mix, better mix. Pull a better mix, better mix, better mix. Hey, you the man. Excuse me while I light my spliff. Lord, I got to say go with. Oh, I need a panic in my brain. Whoa. Oh yeah. And I'm a granny, and I'm a sensei. Couple of guineas, a buckle of the Hennessy. And I'm a slim thing, and I want tree. Come for all a better mix, better mix. When we roll, we be smoking. Nothing say a joke. Think they back granny we place, cause it's more than a token. We rolling, when we rolling, we rolling, we rolling. Hey, in the back of the club, we be blazing. If you burn with your turn, I no gazing. Take your time, them and weed, I no blazing. When we roll, when we roll, when we rollin', we roll a better mix, better mix. We roll a better mix, better mix, better mix, better mix,
make roll a better mix. So me roll it and me light it up.
We're all one. We don't need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one. We don't need no division. One people with different religions. One aim. Some people think they are, true them have enough money to spend. So they brag and show off, disrespecting their best friend. True them a drive a bimmer, a Jaguar up there. They don't even hold the original corners again. But we're all one, we don't need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one, we need no division. One people with different religions. Take heed, my brother, yeah. Love is the only answer, and unity will make us strong. When will this war be over? The people will like to know. Too much senseless violence, our nation is dying out. Only Jah alone can help us. The good book teaches us we're all one. We need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one. We need no division. One people with different religions. Take heed, my brother, yeah. We're all one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Take heed, my brother, yeah. We're all one. All are one. We're all one. All are those. Tell them we're all one. We need no division. One nation with different religions. Take heed, my brother, yeah. We're all one. We need no division. One people with different religions.